Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for the experience, and we will be sharing with you the walk-in drives and the remote job opportunities that we would be sharing with you. And before we share, let me tell you about the new batch on automation testing with Playwright that we are going to start from today onwards, and the sessions would be taken live uh, from 9:30 p.m. tonight onwards. Every day it would be there, and we would be connecting for 30 to 35 hours, and the coding language on JavaScript would be covered, plus Playwright automation testing would be covered, UI automation plus API automation, everything would be covered from the scratch. Plus, we are going to also assist you with the mock interviews, the resume building, plus the real-time projects on the GitHub. So all these things are going to get covered. So make sure that you enroll for this particular batch. And a very important update is that we are going to give you the opportunity for doing hands-on and creating the framework from the scratch in this particular course, and you can pay in installments. So that's also one of the advantage that we are going to give. You can pay 50% of the amount today and 50% of the amount in the next month. That's totally fine. So that's about the automation testing with Playwright batch that we are going to start. Now let me tell you about the job opportunities which I was telling you. Right. So the very first job opportunity is a remote job opportunity, and this is the hiring for a QA lead, and they are looking for someone who can design end-to-end test automation strategy, framework design, and perform execution. They are looking for 8+ years of experience in QA automation architecture, expertise in US healthcare domain, and hands-on experience with Selenium, Cypress, JUnit, TestNG, or similar tools. They are looking for immediate joiners, and you can see the location is remote. Timings are 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Experience required is 8+ years. So you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for Playwright UI and API automation role, and the tech stack required is Playwright with JavaScript or TypeScript. Experience is 5+ years. Role would be automation dev plus QA. Open positions are three, so you can apply at this particular email address. The company name is Coftus. Then there is a requirement at Lucky Pay. So they are looking for QA analyst, and the experience required is 3 months to 1 year. The location is Noida, and the notice period is immediate to 15 days. So they are not looking for the candidate with high notice period. So if you can join immediately, it's a good opportunity. QA with 3 months to 1 year of experience. So it's a junior QA role, and the responsibility would be hands-on experience in UPI switch testing, review requirements, specifications, and technical design documents to provide timely and meaningful feedback, design, develop, and execute manual and automated test cases, perform functional regression, integration, and system testing, and you can apply over here. Then there is a requirement for senior QA engineer, and the location is Ahmedabad. So the name of the company is Maruti Tech Labs. They are looking for the QA with 4 to 6 years of experience. Immediate joiners are preferred, and someone who has got degree in computers or IT would be preferred. Knowledge on automation testing, and interested candidates can send their profiles to this, or you can directly apply to this particular link. I'll be putting this link as well as all these details in the first comment of the video itself. So that will be pinned below the YouTube video. Then there is a requirement for automation tester for e-commerce client, and the location is provided. It's out of India, and visa is independent visa. So you can share your resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for functional QA engineer with 2 to 3 years of experience. Location is Noida, and work mode would be 5 days work from office. This is an immediate joining role. And someone who has 2 to 3 years of hands-on experience in functional QA, strong knowledge of API testing, SQL queries, familiarity with bug tracking tools, they can apply. Understanding of SDLC, STLC is required. Good analytical and problem solving skills, excellent communication and teamwork abilities. So all these things are required. Then there is a requirement for D65 CRM professionals, where there's a Experience requirement is of 0 to 3 years, so even freshers can apply, and they are looking for CRM developer, CRM team lead, CRM technical manager, and CRM team manager. Location is Indore. Experience is 0 to 3 years. So you can submit your CV at this particular email address, or you can visit this particular website as well. Right. Apart from this, there are a few of the walk-in drives that are going on, and it would be happening in this particular week as well. Okay. So this is a company, Bridge Global, and they are hiring for senior .NET developer, then React Native developer, DevOps engineer, product designer, senior full stack .NET developer, technical PM lead. So you can share your CV. Plus, there's a walk-in drive for freshers. So if you are someone who is trained in Salesforce, Java, AI, ML, data engineering, then you can be a part of this walk-in drive. It is happening in Chennai and in Bangalore. These are the locations. You can apply from here, and the timings would be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then there's a requirement for a junior web developer. Someone who has completed computer science, IT, or equivalent. Freshers can also apply. Skill set required is HTML, CSS, and basic front-end knowledge, basic understanding of Node.js and Express.js, JavaScript, REST APIs, basic understanding of Git, GitHub. So these are the details. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.